Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa. I thought I'd give you a quick tip on how we vacuum, or rather don't vacuum, Flatweave rugs. Very delicate rugs, totally interwoven with pretty much one strand all the way through. So you've got to be really careful because obviously a beta bar will pull the threads out and just vacuuming alone. You can't really get the suction on these because the air just flows straight through it. So you're not going to get bits, all the little bits out of it. So we use this. This is called roll and stroll. And this is what painters and decorators use to put down on your carpet to protect it. The sticky's on the outside. So what they normally do is they pull a piece off and they'll roll it straight along the floor, and as it unravels, it covers your floor. So what we do is we just roll and stroll sort of thing. So my wife can get down here a bit closer. We've got a rug with quite a lot of pet hairs all over it. Let's just take this bit for instance. I'm pretty sure you can see these pet hairs here. I'm not sure they'll completely come out, but what we do is we just roll over and there they are gone. Nice little tip for you really, and all we do is just roll it all the way along. And once we've done that, rip a piece off, do it again. There you go, cheers.